Sometimes you look like mommy. Sometimes you look like daddy. Mm. You're perfectly mixed. That's what they said. Or sometimes you look like Lolo. Yes. You're so handsome. Ah, you love your car seat, huh? You love your car seat. You're comfortable in your car seat, huh? Yeah. Can you give us a smile? Another smile. Oh. Can you give us another smile? 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 Oh. Ah. Ah. Every morning is like you're very interactive. Every morning you always want to talk. You like to have a conversation. Yes.